Pay attention. This is Patriot Beard.
Counting all the assholes in the room.
Patriot Beard here again. I'm going to show you a little box that I bought off the internet. Stealth Angel Survival / Tactical Kit. I already snapped it open. We'll check it out. Look what's inside. First up, there's a little whistle, flint, striker. It's got a can opener. A little light. Pressure sensitive there. This flashlight, as you can see, clips on. I already put a battery in it. It did not come with a battery in it. Tactical pin, you know, break glass, right with it. Hopefully you never have to stab somebody in the neck with it. Compass. Not sure how good it works. Last thing in there is this stainless steel little multi-tool. As you can see, there's a saw, can opener. This is fairly sharp for a knife blade. It's probably a screwdriver. You got different wrenches here. Bottle opener. There's a little piece of paper that explains what all these are. I bought this kit for $19.95. It was about 26 bucks shipped. Has these things in it. So far my thoughts are to put it in my truck. Just leave it in my truck, maybe add some things. You know, this is just a piece of egg crate foam in the box. Box about 6 1/4, 6 1/2 by a little under 4. So it doesn't really fit in your pocket. Maybe in your cargo pants, might be a little cumbersome. Maybe in your pack, in your car. I think you could add to it a little bit, get some more things inside that box. Maybe some medical stuff, maybe some fishing line, some paracord, something like that. Again, there it is. Go back inside. Seems pretty sturdy. Put it in your face so you can read it. You go on their website, check them out. I'll post a link under this video and on the videos I post on Facebook. Give me a like on Facebook. Give me a follow on Instagram. Patriot Beard. Out.